you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my girl's favorite all-time treat, and that is by GrubTerra. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, this is our girl's favorite treat, and it is by GrubTerra. They did send me this bag for review, so thank you so much for sending me your grubs to share with my girls. They absolutely love it, and I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, this is very, very healthy for them. It gives them nice, strong eggs. They absolutely love it. They eat this over anything else. And it actually generated my own code to pass down to you guys. So if you are interested in sharing this amazing treat with your girls, you can use SheCrafty and save 10% off your order. This here is the 5-pound bag. I normally purchase this directly from their website every time they're starting to get low, just because I always like to have these on hand. I don't want to go without them, let me tell you. So you can go directly to their website. I will link them all down below if you like to go take a look. If you want to get these for your girls or for anything that you might have that eats the black soldier fly grubs, these are absolutely fresh. They love them. They've had so many different types from different brands, and this is the only one literally they devour 100%, and they don't leave the table until they're all gone. So if you want to see my girls absolutely devouring these and show you how much that they love them, then here you go. Hi, babies. They see him in the hole. Let's see if we have any eggs for today. And we have 2. This one's a fake one. Thanks to these amazing treats, the girls always have nice, thick shells. Oh, we have the 3rd one. Every single one is gone. Was that good? Was that good? All right, you guys. So that is them loving their grubs, living their best life, and enjoying their favorite treats. Again, they will be all linked down below, and SheCrafty will get you 10% off if you are interested. They absolutely love them. It is their favorite, and I'm gonna constantly only buy this brand because I know they're guaranteed fresh. They absolutely love them, so why change? I'm a creature of habit, so I'm only going to be purchasing these from them. So if you wanna check them out, again, they will be linked down below. SheCrafty will get you 10% off. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about my girls and how much they're loving their treats. Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew,